This is the sound test of the Shure SM7B connected to a budget audio interface from Behringer UMC22. Let me know, what do you think? Do you think this is the fake Shure SM7B, or do you think this is the real Shure SM7B? I'm gonna be quiet for a couple of seconds. The volume of the microphone is 100% on my audio interface. I'm fists away from the microphone, so let me know, what do you think? I'm gonna spin the microphone now, so just to have idea how is the sound quality. So this is front of the microphone, so I'm gonna spin the microphone right now. So this is the side of the microphone. Now this is the back of the microphone. Let me know, what do you think? Also, you can wear headphones just to have idea, to hear how is the noise floor as well. This is the other side of the microphone, and now this is the front of the microphone. Now we're gonna test the proximity effect of the microphone, so I'm gonna be closer. I'm touching the windscreen foam nearly. So this is the Shure SM7B, the proximity effect of the microphone. Let me know, what do you think? Do you think sounds real, or do you think sounds fake? Let me know, what do you think? Also, this is on a flat mode. Again, fist away from the microphone. Let me know, what do you think? I already did a video about this microphone, and I asked my audience if this is the fake or it's a real microphone. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below.